Welcome to the L1N Visualiser from Elmo. In this presentation, we're going to run through how to set up and use the Elmo L1N Visualiser in camera mode. We will then go on to look at using the device via its ImageMate software. This will include capturing images and working interactively with a whiteboard. Finally, we will demonstrate capturing and recording images using the SD card function. On to the setup. Firstly, connect the computer's VGA cable into the RGB input on the rear of the L1N. Next, connect the second VGA cable from the projector's PC input to the RGB output on the L1N Visualiser. You can now switch from viewing the Visualiser image to viewing your PC and even seeing the contents of your SD card. Next, install ImageMate. Load the disk into your PC, double-click Setup, then follow the on-screen instructions. Connect the PC's USB cable to the Visualiser and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the camera arm is pushed fully into the upright position, and with the camera head locked into the downward position, the L1N can show a maximum of an A3 shooting area. This will allow you to open an A4 textbook and view both pages simultaneously. There is a text mode for adjusting the contrast levels on black and white documents. In this mode, the L1N can compensate for the low brightness of projectors common in education. It is advisable to switch off the text mode when viewing coloured material or 3D objects. The L1N has a 5.2 times optical or 42 times digital zoom, which are both operable via a unique and highly responsive dial system on the end of the camera head. The further you twist the dial, the faster the response. There is also a one-touch autofocus button located in the centre of the zoom dial. Manual focus is accessed via the base unit. This can be required when viewing 3D objects. Where possible, move the camera lens closer to your subject matter and you will maintain optimum image quality. Most visualizers have a camera arm that locks into place for viewing objects from above. The L1N has a unique multi-position camera arm and head which allows subjects to be viewed from virtually any angle. To view distant objects, or those too large to fit the shooting stage, simply twist the camera head in order that the lens points towards your subject, then focus as normal. Please note, the L1N has an option accessible through the menu on the base unit, which makes it suitable for use with a microscope. By selecting this option, the camera settings will automatically be optimized for this application. The Elmo L1N is Twain compatible, meaning that any Microsoft Office application and other packages such as Adobe Photoshop will recognize the device as a scanner or camera. Once your PC is connected to the L1N via a USB cable and the ImageMate software is loaded, you may access this feature. For example, when you're working in a Word document and you wish to insert a Visualiser image, just select Insert, Picture, from Scanner or Camera. A control panel will then appear. Select the play icon from this on-screen panel and adjust the image as required. When the image is correct, select Stop and then Transfer. Your chosen image will then be inserted into your document, where it may be moved or resized to suit.